Hi friends, in this video let us have a quick look into Samsung Galaxy A52. This is the retail unit which I bought from Samsung online store, and the phone comes in two variants, 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage and 8GB of RAM with 128GB of storage. The one I have here is 6GB of RAM with 128GB of storage. The price of this variant is INR 26,499. The other variant is priced at INR 27,999. Here is the quick look into the retail box. Opening the package, we have the SIM ejector pin. Then we have the regular warranty information, region lock guide, and quick starter guide. Here we have Galaxy A52. Then we have USB to USB-C cable. (15 watts) fast charging adapter. Unlike A51, we don't get a case in the box. This is the awesome black color variant. It is also available in other color variants, blue, white and violet. Now let's have a quick look into the Galaxy A52. In the back, we have the quad camera setup, which consists of 5MP macro, 12MP ultra wide, 5MP depth, and 64MP of main camera with optical image stabilization. It has good quality plastic back. On the right side of the phone, we have volume and side keys. On the bottom, we have speaker grills, USB-C port, primary microphone and 3.5mm headphone jack. On this side, nothing. On the top, we have SIM card slot and secondary microphone. Now, let me power on the phone and set up the device. This variant is powered by Snapdragon 720G SoC. 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display panel with a 90Hz refresh rate. There is a 32MP front-facing camera. Out of the box, it runs on Android 11 with One UI version 3.1. The security patch update as of 1st February 2021. For storage, we get around 102 GB of available storage. Software update is available for download with around 282.68 MB. Coming to camera interface, these are the options we have. That's it for this video on quick unboxing of Samsung Galaxy A52. Please hit the like button if you like this video.